Hello, so we're now here in Panglao Grande's beach and we're enjoying the sun. Okay, so we're now here in Panglao Grande Resort's beachfront here in Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. So I'll show you the beachfront. So they do have beach beds here with beach umbrellas and bean bags. And here's the beachfront. So the sand is fine and the water is crystal clear. So you see lots of foreign tourists here. And there are seaweeds on the shore. And these are naturally occurring, so these are not trash or garbage, these are seaweeds. Okay, so I'm currently in Panglao Grande's beachfront. So let's do a walking tour of Panglao Grande Resort here in Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. So here are the beach beds. There are bean bags and beach umbrellas. It's Panglao Grande Sun Beach Fun. So here's the restaurant and there's the beach view rooms. Okay, this resort is relatively small. Okay, it's a budget resort here in Panglao Island, Bohol. So if you want to enjoy the beautiful beach of Panglao Island and you are on a budget, I would highly recommend staying here in Panglao Grande Resort. Okay, so more cottages here. And they do have a mini pool here. There are more rooms behind the resort. Okay. So that's it. That's the walking tour of Panglao Grande Resort. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button. By the way, I'm giving you a huge discount on your Panglao Grande room if you book on my link in the description box below. So thank you and don't forget to subscribe.